ma entie gi samo wuoyen.
Komachelo en Ogai mar duond buch siasa mar PLP Martha Karua kod Charity Ngilu mabende ne en gavana ma Kitui ne ochopo e dala Kang'o Kajaramogi mar chiwo luor mogik ne mosenindo Raila Amolo Odinga. E kinde limbe ma kamano jotelo ariyogo nokwayo mana kwe pacho kae kendo bende ne gipako Raila kaka jalo mabende nochung' ne kedo ne ratich oganda e pacho kae. Martha Karua ne oloso yo machalo kamano.
Here lies a warrior for social justice, a man with whom we fought in the trenches, fighting for a better Kenya, a man who dedicated his life for a better Kenya. But here again also lies a great spirit that unites. I am therefore asking, may his passing on be a unifying factor for the nation. Let us unite for one cause, the cause he lived for, fighting for a better Kenya. The work that he lived for is not complete. I want to promise, as a comrade in the struggle, we will not let you down. A luta continua.
Manene gavana ma Kitui Charity Ngilu no siro weche Martha Karua go kabende okwayo jo Kenya mondo mi kabende ojiwo jo Kenya ni weche mag telo en gin mago mag tione oganda kendo neno ni oganda oyudo ratichgi mana kaka migosi Raila Odinga ne okedo ne jo Kenya.
He mentored a lot of us, and he helped us to know in leadership it's about serving, and serving courageously and serving selflessly, and knowing that it's about the nation that comes first. Because of the things that he believed in, that we needed to have a better Kenya than the Kenya we are having today. I want to pray that all of us who have been left, we do not drop the guard. We continue to live what he wanted us to do of ensuring justice, fairness, and equity in our country.